I gotta go.
I'm fine. There was a woman on a bicycle. I think I hit her. I heard my tire
Hurry,
go.
someone call 911. She's being crushed under there. Does anybody use CPR?
Can you hear me? I'm a doctor. What's your name?
Stop. I can't breathe.
Okay, Melissa, we're gonna get you out of here, okay? I'm a doctor. She can't breathe. We gotta get this car
I'm on with 911. They say don't move her. The paramedics are on their way.
She can't breathe. She will die before they get here.
Look, I don't want to be responsible if she's paralyzed.
Don't you see she's dying under there? Do you want to be responsible for that? I need someone to help me move this car. Is anybody gonna help me?
Come on, guys, we got this.
Ready, guys? Okay, everyone on 3. We got this, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Okay, let me help you. Okay, easy. Okay.
She's out. Come on, damn it. Breathe. Come on, breathe. Breathe. Breathe, damn it. Oh, she's alive.